I'm just very impressed with this property.
We're not even at the best part yet.
And what is the best part, Areena?
Just wait and see.
Good morning. I am here at the Royal Phuket Marina with
Areena.
Hi, how are you, Areena?
I'm good, everyone. How are you?
I am having an awesome day because I flew in today from Bangkok to come and look at this amazing property. So this villa, how big is it?
So the unit size is 830 square meters. It is divided between 3 floors.
Okay.
This is the rooftop floor that you're looking at right now.
And how many rooms does it have?
Altogether, it has 4 bedrooms
Okay.
and 6 bathrooms.
6 bathrooms.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go and have a look.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, so where is this located on the island?
So this project is located on the east coast of Phuket.
Okay.
The whole project is called Royal Phuket Marina. This is one of only 2 aquaminiums that they have in Phuket.
Wow. And what does an aquaminium mean?
So an aquaminium means you can park your boat inside your condominium.
Really? You can park your boat inside the condominium. That's amazing. So how many of these aquaminiums are here?
Only 2.
Only 2.
And
So this one in front here and
yes, and this one we're standing in right now. So
Wow.
right over there that you just saw just now, and right over here.
wow. And this is how do you call this? This is your terrace, your private.
So this would be your rooftop terrace. You can have dinner parties, have cocktail parties,
Wow.
enjoy some sunset drinks.
And this is the barbecue is a gas or no?
Barbecues, yes.
Yes. Wow. This looks amazing. May I ask how much is the asking price for this?
The asking price for this property is at 88 million.
88 million. Which in Bangkok we call that a steal. not that I can pay it. So let's go 1 floor down. Yeah, so there is 3 floors, right?
Yes, correct. So we were just on the top floor. And now you're entering the living room and bedroom area.
Wow. And when was this built?
This was built in 2016. It's recently been renovated in 2018 and was completed in 2019.
Okay. So originally 2016.
Yes.
And did anybody live here before?
So the funny thing is the owners actually only got to stay in the property for 2 months before getting stuck in Hawaii from coronavirus.
Wow. Ah, okay, so that's why they want to sell it.
Exactly. I mean, they love their property, but why not? This is the master with a double-sided walk-in closet. Let's go have a look.
Double-sided walk-in closet. That sounds good. Okay. So now I have to film myself, which I normally don't do. Wow. This is a walk-in home.
As big as some of the apartments in Bangkok.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You're right. Yeah, it's very funny to see because the property in Phuket is very different from Bangkok. And of course in Bangkok we always have to deal with smaller spaces and you definitely don't have an aqua arena.
No.
How do you call it?
Aquaminium.
Aquaminium.
Yeah. So water condominium.
Cool. Very cool. I'm very impressed. So we've seen the top floor now with the swimming pool.
Yep.
And this is the living quarters. No, but there is a few more bedrooms here, right?
There's a couple more bedrooms on the other side.
Okay.
Let's go have a look.
Yes? Can I ask you some personal questions?
Well, it depends on how personal.
Well, just a little bit. So your English is really, really good. But you are Thai, right?
I am half Thai, half German.
Ah, half German.
So ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen auch.
Ey, dann können wir ja Deutsch reden. Also ich bin Holländer, aber ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch.
Ein bisschen.
So das ein bisschen, nur ein kleines bisschen. So cool. Have you been to Germany before?
Only on holidays during spring.
And where's your family from?
Braunschweig and Berlin.
Braunschweig and Berlin. Okay, meine Großmutter ist von Erfurt. Das ist nicht so weit.
Oh, okay, close by.
Okay, but let's keep it English.
Yeah.
So here you have a nice terrace as well. Yeah, I'm just very impressed with this property.
We're not even at the best part yet.
And what is the best part, Areena?
Just wait and see.
Okay.
This is one of the third bedrooms in
Okay.
the property.
So I think every bedroom here has a private ensuite bathroom, right?
All three do, and one half don't.
Okay. So here you look at the neighbors.
Are you ready for the best part?
Yes, bring me to the best part, Areena.
One of the best features, well, maybe not best, but interesting features is that we have our private elevator.
Okay,
So, yeah, let's go down.
welcome. So I see there's 4 floors. So the second floor you said there was another apartment, right?
Exactly. So the second floor is not part of this owner.
Okay, so you own the first, the third and the fourth floor,
Exactly.
which are the best ones.
Let's go.
Okay. Ah, what kind of room is this? This is like a game room?
So, welcome to the party room.
The
Which
party
I would
room.
call it.
Wow. I guess the owner likes 007, James Bond.
The funny thing is, when you think of James Bond, you think of this place.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
best
yeah.
part?
Yes. Wow.
I don't think there's any other place in Phuket where you can park your boat in your apartment.
This is just amazing. You see, now even I get quiet. And I like to talk, eh? Wow. License to chill.
Yep.
And there is a James Bond island around the corner as well.
Exactly.
Wow. Now I'm just thinking the villain in the James Bond movie. It's the man with the golden gun. So from here, you go with your license to chill to James Bond Island, and you can check out Scaramanga yourself. I mean, come on, that's awesome.
Doesn't get better than this.
It doesn't really. Okay. And then here you have a private jacuzzi.
So after coming back from the salty sea when you're all sticky, you can just jump in and enjoy.
Amazing property. So there's even an indoor waterfall here and whirlpool. Wow. Yeah, so I came to Phuket today to make a video about this property for Sukhumvit Homes. And now I also made a video together with Areena for Global Travel Mate, which I want to thank Areena very much. Khop khun mak krab. Dankeschön. And yeah, if you're interested in this property, then feel free to drop me a line and we can arrange a viewing with Areena. And yeah, I think this is just something really interesting to show about Phuket. So if you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.